Here's something you can do to get weird sounds. Open a new session in Logic, software instrument. We're gonna change this to Astra. Something I really like about Astra is that you can completely randomize everything right here. Adjust the percentage. So let's go up and go random, 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 random. See what that sounds like. That one's okay. Let's randomize a little more. This one's pretty interesting. Sounds like piggies. You can make so many different sounds with this thing. It's really cool. Like and follow for more.